everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use path array in AutoCAD. The example that we will discuss is very simple. We have a table with an ellipse shape and we have a chair. And we want to repeat this chair around this table. So for doing this, find array in the ribbon and select path array from the drop-down menu. Then select the chair and press enter. After that, choose the curved path. And now you can see the copies of this chair are created around this table. But I want to divide these chairs evenly along the curved path. So I'll click on measure and select divide. Also, I can increase or decrease the number of chairs. By default, it is set at 6. I'll change it to 8. So that's how you can efficiently use path arrays in AutoCAD to distribute objects along a curve. Experiment with different settings and explore the creative possibilities. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.